Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Do you ever get that feeling where you just can't resist just one more Christmas painting? Well, that's the feeling I got the other night. And I just want to give a massive thank you to Diamond Paintings with Tessa. If you haven't done so already, please do check her out. She very kindly sent me a £10 voucher for Christmas. So with that, I decided to get this. So that was her Christmas present to me. I have got another painting, but unfortunately it's not coming until tomorrow. For some reason, they're on 2 different delivery dates. But yeah, massive thank you to Diamond Paintings with TM. And I decided to get another painting with it. As you know, I love my paintings, so you can never have another painting, guys. So in here, we're going to take a look. It is a Christmassy one. And this would make it number 3 of the Christmas trucks. I'm really enjoying this. Oh, it's a flat one. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the Christmas truck ones. But I haven't had a snowman yet. I mean, obviously we've had the snowman with the red door that we're working on. But I felt like I needed another snowman. And there wasn't really anything that I've found that really did it for me until I came across this. And already the print looks superb on this. So let's get this out. It's a 30x40. I love it when they bend it like this. Although you've got that bend in the middle, you know, it's not as bent, you know, with 4 bends as they roll it up. So let's take a look in here. Oh, very posh. Love that. Yeah, wow. And in here we have, look at that. Oh, yes. This has come out beautifully. Now, the painting I was going to get before this, I almost clicked on it and bought it, and then I discovered that it was very pixelated. The tree didn't even have like Christmassy colours. It was very toned down, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to get this. I was on the hunt for a snowman, didn't really see any that I liked, and I thought I'd get this. And I'm working on a truck, as you know. I've got a truck that says Merry Christmas on it. I've got that 20x21. And I've also got this one now, so I'm in the I just love these trucks. It's giving me a very American vibe because you've got the American cars here, the American trucks. We don't get these sort of things in the UK, at least I've not seen them. You've got this lovely snowy background. I think there's a resemblance of a tree there. You can just about faintly see that. We've got like a little perhaps a dispatching depot, but then again it's got chimneys, so I wonder what that could be. We've got this lovely Christmas tree, and you've got the snow going over the tree, and bits of the snow falling onto his head, and then this very cute fat sort of snowman, got that lovely bulk build to his body there. And then very detailed again, because we've got this red barn, and this might be the workshop for this. Perhaps they deliver trees and stuff, and maybe that's the workshop or the pickup depot. And what I love about this is the tree is so beautifully done. The snow on the truck is really quite nice as well. I really like that. And then you've got that lovely blanket of snow underneath the tyres, and bits of snow on the tyre as well. We've had looks like there's been a storm, and there's been some snow on the you know, the side of the, or the top if you like, of the hood of the truck there. And then down to finish it, we've got these lovely sort of foliages of plants just seeping through that blanket of snow, and I really love it. The thing is with diamond painting, you never get a true reaction to what it's going to look like until you get it in person. Yeah, you would see it online, but you've got to try and just hope and pray that it's not pixelated. So yeah, I cannot tell you how happy I am with this. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's a landscape. We don't get very many landscape ones. They all seem to be portrait, but I just thought I had to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get some more, but if I get any more now, they'll be after Christmas. But let's take a look at the drill, shall we, guys? So yeah, I picked this up late, and by the time I got in, I was so knackered. I fell asleep at like, what time was it? It must have been about 6:30, and I fell asleep for 2 hours, set an alarm for I'm a Celebrity, get me out of here. I was just knackered. So yeah, I was like, well, I'll have to film it in the evening, and I cannot go to bed until I filmed it. I have to see what it looks like. I think that's one of these ones that, yeah. Sometimes these packs are quite deceiving, because one minute they're sealed there and then sealed there, and then other times they're just one giant thing. Ah, lovely. This has got our lovely, let's see if I can get that down a bit more. I've had to move the tripod in the kitchen, you see, because the light in there is terrible in the evenings. And this has got that lovely minty colour that I love. I really like this colour. So let's take a look at the jewels. We've got that browny chocolatey colour. Apologies for the light reflection there. We've got the minty colours, lovely green. I feel like it's a glow in the dark, but it doesn't look glow in the dark. I really would like to get glow in the dark painting. So we've got 1, 2 and 3. We've got a dark blue, a chocolate latte, an orange, a chocolate, a green, a lime green, a red, and a dark foresty green. I love that colour. By the way, if you haven't checked out Tessa's channel, she's just got that, you know, I was talking about the Works, the big £20 bundle pack. Well, she's just got a £10 pack, and I think she's got the £20 bundle as well. I saw it briefly on her channel, so do check that out. We've got the peachy colour, the black. We've got the mauve, the grey, the orange, the grey, that lovely sort of chocolatey brown. And I like that because it's not too dark, it's not too light, it's just in that middle tone of colour. We've got the grey, we've got a sort of army, so probably Tamiya green there maybe. Again, a sort of army greeny colour there, a red and a very vibrant red, which is Tessa's favourite colour. And nearly every painting I upload with red in, she goes, I really love the red. And then in here, we've got a really good pack here because we've got our squashy, the wax, the 2 pens, and we've also got what I call a Wow's towel. It's actually a straightener for straightening up your drills. They don't pop up very often, but when they do, it's great. And then obviously we've got a bag of baggies, so I'll get them out to you, Tessa, free of charge. And yeah, if you like what you see, I'll put this in the description so you guys can purchase it for yourself. This did come from Amazon, and I basically took a U-turn. You know, the other day I was saying I want that snowman waving in the sky. Well, I saw this and I liked it better. So, and I thought, well, I best use my voucher on Amazon because, you know, otherwise I wouldn't have been able, you can't get vouchers on Temu, so I would have had to have done Amazon anyway. But yeah, really over the moon with this. I'm hopefully going to start it tomorrow if I can, because I really would like to get this started. It's just so clear in print. 23 colours on the schematic there, and a 30x40. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I really must tighten the belt now on buying Christmas paintings, because any more that I buy now, I'm not going to get done till next year. They'll be put in the file for next year. But knowing me, I just swap and change like the weather, so say something and then change it. But anyway, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It has significantly improved because we've now only got 17% of you that are not subscribed. So you might as well subscribe and, you know, subscribe to the channel, because 17% of you watch but don't subscribe. And it's, you know, if you think it charges you, it doesn't. It's totally free. Always tap the notification bell and you'll be notified when a video pops up on the channel. And until next time, we'll see you very soon for another unboxing. Take care. Catch you later.